Hi, hello. So, I've literally tried to refilm this like 4 times, and this time I'm trying to like not give myself an excuse to not upload this, so we're just gonna roll with it. It's been a few weeks, I'm finally back, and I've got like some pretty big news for you, and I thought I would film like a get ready with me type of thing. But yeah, if you want to like stick around. Anyways, so I've already like put on my brows and stuff because my camera was charging and I was like too impatient to like wait, and also those take me forever. So I hope you all had like an amazing 4th of July. I don't think we really did much. We are moving, so yeah, we're moving to the Bay Area in a few weeks, and for the longest time I kind of contemplated on whether or not I wanted to post a video about it, just because I felt like I didn't really want people knowing about my business. But like, I don't know, I just thought, why not document it? Because I want to look back at it and be like, oh yeah, this is like totally what I went through at the time. So I guess I'll just like rewind and start from the beginning. About a year and a half ago, I kind of realized that I really hated the program that I was in. This past spring semester, I just finished my 3rd year of college in Denver, and some of you may know, some of you may not know if you're new here, but I was studying elementary education for a while, and I'm still pursuing it. And for like the first few years at school, I really enjoyed what I was doing. Everything was fine, everything was like super chill. And then when I started to really get into my major, like I just realized that the program really sucked. Like it just sucked really bad, and I felt like I wasn't being challenged enough. I felt like I was just half-assing everything that I was doing. And the school that I went to, granted, like there were plenty of pretty good professors for the most part, but at the same time, like the whole like curriculum itself and how the program was structured, I just didn't feel like it really fit like what I wanted to do. I feel like if I'm gonna go into a field, I'm gonna go in like with 110% of me, you know. I'm gonna go all in head first and really work hard at it, and like I want to be the best educator that I can be, and I felt like that program wasn't doing me any justice. So I took a leap and I basically applied to schools out of state, and I didn't think I was gonna get in, like, to be honest with you. I thought that, oh yeah, I'm just gonna do it just to see what happens. Why am I so bright? Jeez. I applied to schools in New York and California. I ended up getting into schools in both places, which is really crazy. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, so I got in, and at the end of the day, we ended up deciding to go for California. And am I making the right decision? I don't really know, but we're gonna find out when I get there. A year ago, if you would have told me that I would be moving out of state, I wouldn't have believed you, because I honestly thought that I would just like breeze through school in Denver and just kind of live my life here. And then, like, I don't know what it was, but I just realized that there's a lot I'm missing out on right now, and I'm young, and there's somebody vacuuming on our floor right now, and it's really loud. Also, this eyebrow is totally darker than the other one. Let's fix that. Going back to the whole moving thing, I think all my life, well, I was born in Houston, Texas, and I came over to Denver when I was like 4. So since then, I've only known Denver, and I would travel out of the states like plenty of times and stuff. I've been to California and Florida, and like, but like really all I knew was Denver. I didn't really know anything else outside of it. And I don't know, I feel like you kind of get sick of seeing the same people, the same places all the time. So that's why like I've always really enjoyed traveling. But now that we're like officially leaving, it's kind of crazy. I don't know. What I'm trying to say is like I don't really know what to expect like when we go out there. And I keep saying we because I'm not like going alone, obviously. I'm going with someone who's really, really close to me, and we'll get into that like another day. Also, this lash curler, best thing ever. I think it's like Revlon or something. It's like $8. Yeah, go get one of these if you have Asian eyes like I do. I guess that's also why lately I haven't really been on camera, or I haven't really been trying to like film or anything, just because I've just been like trying to enjoy my time here. And also, like, the other reason why I wanted to upload this is because maybe there's some of you out there who are watching who are like going through the same thing. Okay, sorry, I had to get this situation handled because I cannot like do it on camera. I think lately it's been kind of hard to make more videos and like post more and stuff because for a while I felt like I was stuck on doing a specific like aesthetic or like sticking to like a common theme. I don't know, stupid stuff like that. And I think that really like stopped me from uploading because I'd get so self-conscious about like what I should be posting, you know? But I mean, at the end of the day, like nobody really cares, and I feel like I shouldn't care either, so I should just do whatever I want. Doing my makeup on camera is taking like way longer than I expected. I literally thought I could do this in like 10 minutes. It's been like 45. Alright, well that's pretty much all I have for you guys, so I'm just gonna end this here now. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for being patient with me and stuff. If you guys have spare time and you are interested or whatever, go check out my podcast. It's called Sunny Mix and Bits. It's basically a place where I just talk a lot of shit and we have a good time there. Thank you all for like the really nice feedback too. I know that some of you guys listen to me when you're like in the car or something, and that's like crazy to even know that you people like want to listen to me or whatever. So I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some stuff done now, but thank you all, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just for the fame. Some people live